thanks to UN Global for giving me this opportunity. And I am Akanksha Parashar from Guwahati, Assam. I am a student and this generation entrepreneur. So today we are, especially I will be going to present or talk about business opportunity. So in order to gain full benefit, if you want a full benefit, if you want to gain all the knowledge and full benefits, then you have to remain throughout this session. And also you have to kindly maintain with you a diary and pen. So thank you. Without any further, let's start the presentation. So here it goes. So here comes the first slide, which says UN Global Atmanirbhar Plan, helping people to discover their best version within. Okay, so as we all know, growing population is one of the major challenging situation in the upcoming years. Which unemployment and many other factors are getting affected. So in this era, without skill and proper knowledge, we cannot survive, right? So in order to become Atmanirbhar means self-reliant, what do we have to do? We should and we have to get some skills developed, right? So, and that is why UN Global is helping people to discover best version within. And just think, if 130 crore people discovers their best life, India will be so limitless, right? So, okay, so let's move on with the next slide. So, in this slide, we can see that in the last 20 years, we have changed everything like TV, mobile, two-wheeler, four-wheeler, etc. Right? So earlier, people used to have box TV. Box model TV. Okay. So, but now it has been replaced with LCDs or LEDs, matlab flat TVs, right? And similarly, keypad mobiles have been replaced with touchscreen mobiles. Now we can find so many features in a single refrigerator, right? And similarly, laptops, and likewise, everything, fashion style, marriage style, hairstyle, almost everything around us has been changed in the last 20 years. So likewise, we as individuals should grow and change over the years. Do you know that large number of people over the time period in the past few years have changed their mindset related to what? Related to various aspects in our society. So with that being noted, we can also enhance ourselves. Our technology and our thoughts have both changed for the better. But here the question raises that if we can change ourselves as individuals to smarter, richer, and wiser beings, do you know what will be my answer? My answer would be a yes, because I can assure you that we can. But now how? Okay, so that's what we are going to discuss further. So let's move on with the next slide. Gone are those days where only business and active incomes was for common man. Now a new era begins where every one of us can opt for passive income and make our life much more flexible and comfortable, right? So here it has been written, my dear friends, अब टाइम आ गया है अपनी इनकम करने की तरीका बदलने का. So we need to change our income करने का तरीका, right? So, okay, so let's move on to the next slide now. Okay, the main question rises here that are you prepared? So are you, all the participants, you need to answer me, okay? You need to answer the questions, okay? So please comment in the chat box or write your answer in the chat box that are you prepared or not? Means if yes, then type yes, or if no, then you can also write no. But I need your answers. Jaldi, come on. You need to answer me fast. Okay. There are so many responses from the participants. Wow. Jennifer Begum, ma'am. Yes. Okay, you are prepared. Debashish Sikka, sir. Barsha, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Joy Singh, Terang sir, thank you so much. Okay, so let's move on with the next slide. Okay, so you know what? Most common and traditional practice in our society is to open a shop or start multiple business. But almost 90% of our youth fail in the respect because there are so many barriers on the way that comes. Okay. Now, what are the barriers? Okay. So the first barrier is large capital. Okay. So second barrier is growth. Third one is market. Fourth one is risk. Fifth one is support, and sixth one is knowledge, and etc. There are many, but I've listed down the 6 main barriers. Okay. So what do? They compromise and leave behind their dreams and move on with their life. So here in this slide, the main aim of this slide is to indicate that don't compromise in this single life, my dear friends. Don't compromise, because everything is possible, but you just need to start believing in yourself, start working, and begin growing. Okay, so let's move on to the next slide. Okay, so in this slide, you can see for long-term profit and startup business, for startup business, we require need plus recession-free industry. Okay, I will explain in detail about the recession-free industry in the next slide. So let's move on in the next slide. So you can see there are unstoppable. These are the unstoppable 3 industries which are recession free. Okay, you all might be wondering, what does recession free industry mean? It is a term used to describe an asset, a company, industry, or any other entity that is believed to be economically resistant to effect of a recession. If you want to note down, then please kindly note down the whole term. Okay. It is a term used to describe an asset, company, industry, or any other entity that is believed to be economically resistant to effect of a recession. Means, in simple language, we can say that no matter what the situation is, education industries are never affected financially, neither hospitals nor wellness industries. Okay, about education industry, you have noticed that students are not being able to go to their schools for education, right? But still they are getting their education in online educational platforms, right? Like Byju's, Vedanta, or from their schools. Okay, so teachers are getting paid, but many teachers are not being appointed now. Okay, those teachers who are able to do online classes, they are getting paid. Okay, so that means corona chalega na chale, education chalega, right? Okay, so similarly in sickness industry, hospitals have been serving their patients throughout this period. Okay, so next comes wellness industry. Now wellness industry includes health industry, which encompasses all activities which promotes physical and well-being, healthy eating, personal care, nutritional care, etc. So कोरोना के लिए क्या लोगों ने खुद के लिए कंसर्न करना बंद कर दिया? No, right? People are still concerned about their well-being, to which wellness industries plays a great role. So no matter what, this 3 unstoppable industries will be going on in any situation. Okay, so let's move on to the next slide. Okay. So now I will talk about the key features while establishing a startup, okay, which I will explain one by one. So first is investment, okay. It plays a very important role in the startup of a business. Why? Because investment is generally made to obtain an additional source of income or gain profit from the investment over a specific period of time. Now, second comes effort. We need to put a lot of effort once we are in a system, because effort keeps us focused on success and increases our confidence. Then third comes knowledge. in order to start something of our own, we need to have proper knowledge about a certain system, because it enables us to identify and seize opportunities around us. Okay, so the fourth is experience. Now, experience helps a person to be more polished and systematic. Why? Because it will help us to identify our own skill and perhaps even highlight the areas we might want to work on. Now, the fifth feature is, which is the most important, is making connections. Okay, because a connection is a relationship that occurs as a result of successful networking and its primary goal. Even, do you know, even the nature says that having connections is very important. Now, you might want to know, what does it mean? Okay, don't worry. Let's take an example. Okay, so one drop of water cannot be produced without connections. As we know that when two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen connects with one another, then only one drop of water is produced. So ye raha nature ka connection. And similarly, we have other examples like KFC, Uber, Ola, Oyo. These are live examples of having good connections, because these all are running very successfully. Okay, now move on. Now let's move on with the next slide. So this is the slide where everyone will want to quit the entire webinar. Please, जाने से पहले सुनो तो जरा. Let me explain why network marketing. Okay, why network marketing? Because this industry has created maximum millionaires in the world. It has emerged as a viable or profitable source of income and growth in business marketing. If you are associated with the right network marketing company, my friends, then you will find an education system also that can take you to your next level. Just think, because it can make you more skillful than you were before. Main benefit of being in a network marketing industry is that it is a business of generation, which means that we can transfer our business to our next generations too. And now the question comes, why you? Because I'm sure you all must be wondering, why am I asking this question to you? See, because why you? I'm asking this question to you because you all have dreams and desires, and that is why you are here in the webinar in order to gain something from the session, right? Okay, if you want to gain something from this webinar, then let's move on with the next slide. So please clearly see the screen, okay? I'll be explaining the whole articles. In the slide, you can see there are many articles which are mainly about the importance of network marketing or direct selling industry. Among all these articles, the main headline which has been highlighted says that you can see the blue box, I guess, okay? So it says, as per FICCI and KPMG projections, direct sales in India will reach rupees 64,500 crores by 2025, and there will be estimated 1.8 crore direct sellers in India, 60% of whom will be women. Wow. Among the estimated 1.8 crore sellers, there will be 60% of women. Hats off to our women, right? Nari Hokti. Okay, so let's move on with the next slide. Okay, now this bar graph shows the highest grossing billion-dollar industries worldwide. Okay, along with network marketing industry, there are 5 other industries, which includes the NFL with $9.5 billion, Then music industry with $16.5 billion. Cosmetic products with $91 billion. Movie industry with $18 billion, and video gaming with $67 billion. Looking at the paragraph, you can clearly see, no, the yellow one, you can see which one is the leading industry across the world. Yes, it's network marketing, which how much? With $167 billion business. We all know about the importance of other 5 industries also, like video gaming or music industries, right? But we also know that to become successful in this field, we need to have that particular talent of a musician, singers, or that of a video gamer. But not everyone is blessed enough to have all those qualities. Not every industry is meant for us. But in network marketing, we don't need to have any specific talent. With proper knowledge and education system, no, by implementing them, a person can reach his goals and become successful, because there is no age bar or any specific qualification needed. Okay, so in this slide you can see, look at reality, stop judging. Though people never stop criticizing and judge about network marketing, but it is very much true that for a salary of rupees 8,000 people with MBA degree and PhD holders also stand on the line for the job. Dear friends, ये मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ, okay? It has already been published on the articles of the newspaper. You can clearly see on the screen. On a newspaper named Fast Media, okay, you can see here, Fast Media, it is mentioned that the problem of unemployment can be solved by network marketing, okay? Ab pata chala the importance of network marketing. Okay, now stop criticizing and look at reality and stop judging, okay? So let's move on with the next slide. So this is the data based on 2015 sales of network marketing globally. This is the list of 10 countries and the contribution of network marketing industry towards their respective countries. So you can see 20 per USA, 20% of contribution goes to USA, their contribution, I mean. China 19%, Korea 9%, Germany 8%, Japan 8%, and etc. Like Brazil 5%, Mexico 4%, France 2%, Malaysia 2%, and also UK 2%. But did you notice something? If not, then let me tell you, among all these developed countries, our nation, that is India, being the developing country, is not in the least. Why? Because the people of developed countries knows the importance of network marketing to strengthen the economic policy of the country. But in India, people are yet to know much more about this industry. They have a certain mindset, which I'll explain in the next slide. So here comes the next slide. So what people say that it's fraud. It's not my type. It's side business. It will destroy my image. Chain business, chain system, lose money. We all lose money, break relation, etc. and whatnot. I think you remember what I have said in the earlier part, that even people with PhD holder and MBA holder try to get job of 8,000 salary. Why? Because of lack of job opportunities. But still, they do settle for that sector, right? So what do you think? That they are fitted for such less income? Do you think that it's their type? No, right? But still, they compromise and give away their dreams. Okay, now, people say many things like chain system. People often say, right, that it is a chain system. But do you know we are already in a chain system? How? If you want to know how, okay, don't worry, I'll explain that in the later part. Okay, So let's move on with the next slide. So these dialogues or sentences are said by whom? A certain section of people. And who are these people? They are our family members, friends, colleagues, relatives, neighborhood, etc. They are very expert in giving opinions, and hence we have kept a special name for them, which is रायचंद. Because उनको राय देने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है, इसीलिए उनका नाम है रायचंद. Okay. अगर if you say for example, family members criticize the most, I think, because they think, our family members think we should settle for a job rather than getting involved in network marketing. And I don't know about family, but being a student, no, my friends have always criticized me. They told me it is a side business, don't get involved, you will lose relationship, you will lose everything, it will ruin your career. Okay, so I faced this kind of criticism in my life. So similarly, colleagues, relatives, neighborhood, they all say that it's fraud, it's nothing, it will ruin your life, etc. And mainly the fellow people, the people who gets involved in such industry, in network marketing industry, if they cannot gain something, they blame the entire industry because they did not put any effort, they did not learn anything, and they blame the entire industry. Is it right? No, but क्या करे, लोगों का काम है कहना, right? So छोड़ो. But we should listen to those, but should we listen to those people? I think no. Rather, we should listen to very successful people who are or is already a legendary person. So who are those legends? Let us see in this screen. Okay. So here comes it. So the first legendary person to say about network marketing is Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir, whom I regard as my ideal person, missile man. He's regarded as missile man. He is known as missile man. He is a former president of India. He says that network marketing is the fastest growing business of 21st century, which must be joined by every young men and women globally. Otherwise, we can never get the best of our youth age. Okay. So now next come the legendary person, matlab हमारे PM sir. Let's see what he has to say. Okay, Narendra Modi opens network marketing. G opens about network marketing. He says he supports. He says that network marketing support of 21st century business. According to him, जिन्होंने आत्मनिर्भर मतलब aware क्या था हमें, right? He is only supporting network marketing. Okay, so there are many other famous people. So let's move on with the next slide also. So there is Bill Gates, who says, if I would be given a chance to start all over again, I would choose network marketing. So true. Even he wants to do network marketing. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of famous book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, he says that the richest people in the world look for and build network. Everyone else though looks for job. Okay. So there are many. Okay. So let's move on with the next slide. Okay. Do you know here this in the screen you can see gather knowledge, not information, right? Do you know University of Delhi, which we all know is a very renowned university, have already imposed network marketing as their course? Even Arvind Kejriwal, Chief Minister of Delhi, also mentioned in an interview that students should start their life as an entrepreneur so that they do not have to go after seeking jobs. Rather, they could stand on themselves. See, people have been progressing. They are supporting chief ministers, legendary people. Everyone is supporting network marketing. अरे दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी ने तो कोर्स ही निकाल दिया, अब क्यों सोच रहे हो, right? So gather knowledge, not information. Okay. So let's move on with the next slide. So in this industry, on our day-to-day life, we meet three types of people. Number one is posers. ये तो लॉटरी है, they think ये तो लॉटरी है, मतलब they want to become rich, okay, but within a very short span of time. सब इजी में ही चाहिए उन लोग को, ओके. सो नेक्स्ट कम्स एमेच्योर, मतलब बस 2 to 3, 2 से 3 अच्छा लोग मिल जाएगा तो कमाल करूंगा. They think of waiting for more people to associate with, and then only they will be able to become very successful. And the third type of people is number 3 is which means professional. This section of people try to understand the whole system and then act in the system accordingly. Okay, so let's move on with the next slide. So after knowing the benefits of being in a network marketing industry, now it's time to choose the right platform. But how? We should clearly look after the 3 main categories, which are, number 1 is people. We should, by getting involved in the industry, we should examine or observe that what kind of people we are going to associate with, like their management capacity, experiences, education system, their vision, etc. Okay, so second comes products. So we should always look upon the products which deals with FMCG, matlab fast moving consumer goods, okay, and which falls under the category of wellness and are need fulfilling. So third comes marketing plan. So third comes plan. Marketing plan plays a very important role. So it should be well crafted. It should be a good base. It should have a good base level and should be proven. Now, and here, okay, I would like to add another point that I think is very important, that we should also look at the environment and the culture of that particular platform, because the people who are associated with that positive environment will follow all the culture of possibility, okay, and because of this culture our mind will slowly stop the negative thinking. So it was my point. I think it will be a very good point. So let's move on with the next slide. So, okay, so let me introduce to India's leading wellness industries, which is none other than Vestige Marketing Private Limited. Okay, such a wonderful platform and system. And its system, you know, is transforming the lives of people through wellness. अब भाग मत जाना, Vestige सुन के भाग मत जाना, okay? Please try to gather some knowledge about this industries before leaving the entire webinar, okay? Okay, so let's move on with the next slide. So let us know about the profile and pillar of this particular industry, which means Vestige Marketing Private Limited. Okay, just give me a second, okay? Okay, so Vestige Marketing Private Limited was started in the year 2004. Okay, and it is a leading direct selling company dealing in world-class wellness products. We have already known that wellness products is a recession-free industry. Okay, wellness industry, matlab wellness products includes in the recession-free industry. Okay, so Vestige deals with the world-class wellness products. Vestige is constantly growing at a phenomenal rate every year. The growth rate in itself speaks about the quality of the products, because we believe the management, the system believes that actions speak louder than words. And that is why they have mentioned that the growth rate in itself speaks about the quality of the products, the marketing plan, and the management that has been able to deliver such a rewarding and sustainable system to the distributors. Now we want to know the mastermind behind this wonderful platform, this management, and this system. Do you want to know who are these 3 people? Okay, They are Mr. Gautam Bali sir, Mr. Deepak Sood sir, and Mr. Kanwar Bir Singh sir. They are the main masterminds. They are the main legends, we can say, behind this wonderful platform. Okay. So, you know what? More than 2 crore in distributors are there in India. मतलब क्या 2 करोड़ में सब ऐसे बैठे हैं? No, right? So failure की बातें मत सुनो कि ये इंडस्ट्री ये करेगा वो करेगा. Okay, just leave it. Just see more than 2 crore distributors in India, in which there are doctors, teachers, engineers, and everyone. Okay, so there are more than there are 3,000 online plus offline centers all over India. ठीक है? और 300 plus products in our portfolio. Okay. International presence. There has been international presence. It has been spread across our country, like Bahrain, Bangladesh, Oman, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE. So you have come to know about the profile and pillar. Do you want to know about the vision and mission? Okay, let me tell you. The vision of Vestige Marketing Private Limited is to help people live a life of economic independence on their own terms. And their mission is to grow to a global scale and become the benchmark in direct selling industry. Okay, so come on, let's move on to the next slide. This is Vestige Marketing Private Limited is a recession-free industry. Now this graph indicates the growth of Vestige Marketing Private Limited from the period of 2004, मतलब starting year से लेकर 2020 तक. Okay, so in the presented graph, we can conclude that Vestige became the only Indian direct selling company to reach the turnover of rupees 2,250 crore with a CAGR of 79%. You can see the growth, right? You can see in the screen. Okay, so let's move on with the next slide. So, Vestige Marketing Private Limited has been awarded with so many titles like Great Place to Work, Best Employer Brand. It is halal certified, it is ISO certified, etc. अगर awards के बारे में बोलूं तो रात भर निकल जाएगी. So we have been awarded, मतलब the Vestige management has been awarded with so many titles. Okay, so come on, let's move on with the next slide. Recipients of Global 100 was 4 years running. You can see here, getting recognition globally. The Vestige Marketing is now listed 30th in the top 100 direct selling companies in the world. Can you believe? And we are looking forward to become #1 direct selling selling company. It is the only Indian direct selling company. याद रखना ये, ठीक है? Okay, so let's move on to the next slide. So, after knowing about the company profile, its vision and mission, now let us know about the wonderful products, which according to our needs have been categorized into so many ranges and segments. We can see your Pro Heart category, glycemic category, glycemic health for diabetic patients, Vestige Prime range. We can see joints and bone health. Vestige हमारे बारे में इतना सोचता है, देखिए. You can see your immunity boost. For a current situation, we need a healthy immunity system, right? So we have a range of immunity boost, then detox and rejuvenation, fitness and diet, women's health. Okay, so next comes hair care, face care, oral care, body care. Oh my God, we have so many other ranges which we use from morning till night, right? We use hair care products, we use body care products, and on a daily basis. So Vestige has provided us with so many ranges. Like we have another segments, right? We have another various ranges that are agri-reach. Agriculture is so important in our country, right? So Vestige उसके बारे में भी सोचता है. फिर health food, we need to have health, we need to be very healthy, right? So we need to consume good food which are healthy for our system, right? For our body. So we have a health food section, oral care, air purifier for consuming pure air, right? Ayusanti products means science related Ayurveda, a mixture of Ayurveda and science life. Okay. So many male participants would be thinking, हमारे लिए कोई reach नहीं है क्या? अरे बाबा है आपके लिए भी. देखिए, true men only for our male participants, so that you look good. Okay, अब presentable दिखने के लिए you need to look good. ठीक है, तो आपके लिए स्पेशली दिस इज योर रेंज, दिस इज योर रेंज फॉर मेन. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट कम्स स्किन फॉर्मूला 9 which is a premium skin treatment range. Then comes high waist. We need to clean ourselves, right? हम तो खुद को तो clean करते हैं. We need to clean our home, right? With proper hygienic products. So Vestige has launched high waist, which means hygiene plus Vestige, and it includes like detergent, floor cleaner, everything. Then comes Mistral of Milan for the lady especially, because we all want to look good, we all want to look presentable, like we need to enhance our beauty. I know we all are beautiful, but we need to enhance our beauty, right? So for that we have Mistral of Milan. Then comes Dew Garden range, especially for our women. Okay, especially for women hygiene, we have 3 ranges. We have 3 products in this particular range. Then comes Sharp water purifier. We need to consume purified water, right? We need to consume good air. We need to consume pure air. Isliye we have air purifier. So similarly, we need to consume pure water, and that is why we have Sharp water purifier. Okay, then comes Mag Drive Nano Energizer for 2 wheels and 4 wheelers, because यही तो हमें लेकर जाते हैं हमारे ऑफिस तक, हमारे मीटिंग तक. So उनका ख्याल रखना तो बहुत important है, right? So we have two products in the Nano Energizer range. Okay, so according to the situation, we need to have mask. We need to put on our mask wherever we go. Okay, so we have masks for different sizes for both women and for men. Okay, and then comes sanitizer. We have sanitizer, hand gel based sanitizer, hand sanitizer. So let's move on with the next slide. Okay, so now comes the most important part. Okay, now comes the foremost. Sorry, some technical issues must be going on. Okay, let's start. So now comes the foremost and the most important part of understanding the business system. Okay, so there are 2 types of market. First is the traditional market or multi-chain market. Okay, earlier I have already mentioned that we are already trapped in a chain system. Okay, now I will explain how. And the second one is multi-level market or direct selling industry. Here, in this traditional business model, here the company sells the products to CNF agent. Then it comes to the distributor. Then it comes to the wholesaler, then retailer, and then to us. So the product which is made in 30 rupees, we get in 100 rupees. Okay, here we can see 70% of the money is distributed among these people, and through this we who gets the main benefit? Who gets the main benefit? The advertising agency. Okay, half of the portion is being contributed to them. अभी पता चला कि maximum of us are already trapped in the multi-chain system. Okay, we don't get the benefit. Instead they make a profit from our money through the chain system. Okay, then comes, but okay, this is the next slide. Okay, but there is a different model of marketing, that is the multi-level marketing system. Here the customer gets the benefit, but how? Do you want to know how? Wait, I'm gonna show you in this slide. Okay, you can clearly see in this slide that this figure. This is a figure which shows the Vestige direct selling business model. From this diagram, we can understand that the product is directly distributed among people through the company. So even here, the product is made in 30 rupees, but the customer gets in 100 rupees. So 100 rupees. So the 70% of the money is distributed among the customers through the company. Okay, in simple words, here the middle people are not involved and benefits are distributed among us through the company. Okay, okay, so come on, let's move on to the next slide. लोगों को यहाँ पे one way of income पाना मुश्किल हो जाता है, but Vestige provides us with not just one or two, but 10 ways of income. Can you believe? We are getting 10 ways of income. Want to know what are they? Okay, let me tell you. The first is retail profit, which is 10 to 20%. Then comes performance bonus, which is 5 to 11%. Then comes bronze building bonus, which is 4%. Then comes business building bonus, which is 14%. Then comes a very important bonus, which has been recently added, that is team building bonus, which is 2%. Okay. Then we'll be getting travel fund, which is 3%. Then leadership overriding bonus, which is 16%, which is the largest income in Vestige Marketing Private Limited. Okay, just remember that. Okay, then next comes car fund, which is 5%, house fund, which is 3%, and then comes the elite club bonus, which is 2%. If you want to know more about this business plan, then you need to attend our another marketing plan session. Okay, so let's move on with the next slide. So after achieving the travel fund, we get to what? We get to go to foreign trips. Wo bhi free of cost. Can you believe? We can go to Paris, Beijing, Russia, Scotland, London. Oh my God. मुझे तो जाना है. आपको जाना है कि नहीं? Come on, participants, do reply. You want to go to those countries or not? You want to visit those countries? Like me, you want to click good pictures. Wo bhi free of cost. Okay. So, okay, Dulumani ma'am wants to go. Okay, she'll be the first one to go. Okay, Piyush sir. Okay, Bashara, everyone, thank you so much for your kind response. Thank you so much, everyone. Deepak sir, okay. Thank you so much. I know hum sab jayenge, okay? Hum sab jayenge. We will go to these countries, okay? So, let's move on to the next slide. Okay, these people, they are the achievers of Nirvana. They are the travel fun achievers of Nirvana. First is our mentor, Tarun Kumar Maheshwari sir. Then comes Jayanta Kumar Roy sir. Do you know, among the participants, we have some energetic and very successful entrepreneurs. You can see in the photo, you can see the photos. Like we have Dulumani Saikya ma'am, we have Samuel sir, we have Moshumi ma'am, we have Jayanti ma'am, we have Neetumani Roy ma'am. We have live examples. They have already achieved that travel fund. Okay, so jaldi we need to achieve this. Okay, if you want to, अगर आपको देखना है ना इस पिक्चर को यहाँ पे, then come on fast. आपको होना ही पड़ेगा. Okay, so let's move on with the next slide, which shows the car achievers of Nirvana. First is our great mentor, Mr. Siddharth Singh sir and Chanchal Singh ma'am. Okay, they have already achieved 2 luxurious cars, and Siddharth Singh sir is the highest earner. मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ. You can Google it if you want. Okay, they have already achieved 2 luxurious cars. From then comes Tarun Kumar Maheshwari, our mentor. Then comes Jayanta Kumar Roy sir, our mentor. They have already achieved luxurious cars. Then there are many. And you know what? We have Dulumani Saikya ma'am. Yes, she was just a housewife, but now a very successful entrepreneur and dynamic leading lady. She has also achieved car fun and has achieved a very beautiful lal color ki gadi, right, ma'am? Okay, so we have 3 youth icons here, like Bintu Singha sir, Dhruva Jyoti sir, Pranav Jyoti sir. These are all the inspirations. These are all the examples that being a student also we can achieve all this. So then comes house fund. ये मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि यही घर बनाओ. Okay, you will get a fund by which you can build up your own dream house. Okay, so come on, let's move on with the next slide. Okay, through Vestige we get recognition. How? Like Vestige award functions are organized, okay, throughout the year. to felicitate and reward the dedication and unconditional support of our leaders. See, they organize functions for us. Because they reward our dedication and unconditional. They give unconditional support to our leaders by organizing all these award functions. And then we organized. Then Champions Day is always celebrated on 2nd of every month to recognize achievements of leaders and inspire future leaders. क्योंकि हमें भी जोश चाहिए, right? So इसलिए Champions Day. So we have heart-to-heart for because we believe in the quote Nelson Mandela that education is the most power on which you can use the world. So we are providing help to the unprivileged students. So, okay. So then comes the next slide. Okay. What do we want? What do we want? We want security, we want freedom, we want respect, money, health, etc. We might get money in many sectors, right? But people die of getting respect throughout their life. So Vestige provides our life with full security, with freedom, with respect, with money, with health, and whatnot. Can you find all these things or these features in another company? I don't think you can find in any other company, right? So the single platform to earn all this is Vestige. It's none other than Vestige Marketing Private Limited. Okay. So let's move on with the next slide. So just follow Nirvana education system. Why we need to follow Nirvana education system? Because through Nirvana, we get a platform where our dreams are achievable without the compromises of life. And the motto here is that in your success lies our success. Matlab, your search ends here. Okay. You can achieve your dreams, you can achieve your goals without compromising anything in your life. So, देर की इस बात की, register your name with the contact person and surrender yourself in Nirvana education system to achieve your dream income shortly. Okay. Then, don't wait. People wait for the correct time, okay? But don't wait for the correct time to start. Rather, make this time a correct one. Then only you can become the game changer of your generation. So now what does Jack Ma wants to say? He says that you can also be the next millionaire if you adopt the future concept earlier. Okay, if you can adopt the future concept earlier, you can also be the next millionaire. तो उनकी बात तो मानना चाहिए, right? So we need to adopt the future concept now only. This is the correct time. Abhi se we need to start. Okay. So congratulations at last. I would like to congratulate each one of you for your enthusiasm, because you all are determined and passionate enough to wait till the end and learn something in order to lead a much more wonderful and better life. So welcome to the state of happiness. We welcome you, and I think you all, I am hoping that you have liked my presentation, you have understood what I was trying to make you understand. If yes, then do comment whether you have understood or not. Again, if you have doubts or queries, you can ask me. So thank you so much, UN Global, for giving me this opportunity. I could present a business opportunity plan before you all. So thank you so much. And I would like to conclude here. So this is me, Akanksha Parashar, signing off from this session.